So today we're gonna use attached cup picture, download any logo of your choice, Gibson, and wrap this logo around the cup. That's the task we have today. So first of all, we need to check your Google Classroom. There's only one attachment. And then the second one, you're gonna look up on Google and download yourselves. So here is one attachment only. It's a cup. So let's add it to the Photopea. So to add it to Photopea, I'm gonna go with open. Okay, it's a TIF file. So just download it. It's on your Google Drive. So it's called White Cup. Okay, this is the image. Now I'm gonna add another logo. So I need to get a logo on from the internet. Okay, so I downloaded my own logo. So when you guys have your logo downloaded, you're gonna do open and place, because we want to place this inside the already open project. So open and place, pick the logo. This is mine. Okay, resize it to be close to a cup's image size. So this is good enough. Now my logo has a white background. You know, guys, how to remove it. You need to use magic wand. Click on the sides and then delete it. It's not gonna work because it's a smart object. If that's the case, we have to rasterize it. You guys know how to do it. Just make a right click and rasterize. So this is my logo. Now clicking on magic wand again, deleting the background. Let's get it again. Magic wand, click on the side, delete. And then I removed all the white background on my logo. So let's zoom in. So my selection process is still active. So we need to cancel it. As you guys know, we're gonna use a shortcut that is Control D. So see, there's a little glowing edge of my logo is glowing. I have to Control D it, otherwise I cannot make changes. Okay. And let's move this logo here. Adjust it. Now, so the next step is, guys, we are going to work with transform controls, right? Okay. Now, when you guys work with transform control, it has to be checked, obviously. When you guys do a little slight change, like this, you see I'm adjusting the size. You're gonna have another option called warp. Sorry, warp. Warp. I was gonna teach you warp, but let's use it now. A little bit few assignments on warp. So warp is allows you to deform your object image. Okay, if you guys click on warp after you guys try to resize it slightly, a little bit, warp, you are going to have this option here. You see, it says none. There are several options. All of this are options which you choose, and your object will take that particular look. For example, if you guys do rise, it's gonna look like this. You see, or you can do arc. It's gonna look like this. So you need to actually decide how your image will look like on the cup. But since it's your cup is a round object, I suggest you guys to go with arc lower, like this, because you see it looks like a cup, like this. At this moment, you are able to drag this squares and then reshape it to the way you want it. So like this, you're able to reshape it. You know, not all logos are straight. Sometimes they've been deformed. So you can deform it to any shape that you want, like this. All right, let's see. This looks nice, for example, right? For instance, Mountain Dew. After you guys change the warp, you click on check. And then there's one final thing left to do is for the layers here, we have different modes of layers, which we will still do an assignment on that. In here, you want to make it look realistic, you have to go with a mode called multiply. When you do that, you see, it's going to blend in the image into your cup, and then there your cup, it looks like an original sticker on the cup. And then you're going to submit this image as it is. Right? You guys, any questions?